Hi, it's Aaron here from Mayfair Plumbing. Today I'm here to talk to you about something a little less plumbing related, but still relevant to the trade, and that's the Makita Cordless vacuum cleaner. So as we all know, when we have a tradie come to the home, we're always concerned about the mess they're going to make and then leave. So good practice is to always have a vacuum cleaner on hand. And so what we've gone out and recently purchased here is the Makita DCL181F. So this is the top of the range one in the Makita range of cordless vacuum cleaners. There's actually 3 in the range, and this is the top of the range one. So it has a slightly more powerful motor, which means it can suck a lot harder and get the dirt up quicker. But it also has a couple other cool little functions. So when you turn it on, it has a little LED light, but it also goes into high suction mode. You can then adjust that by pressing the high-low button again, and it goes into a lower suction mode if you don't want to be too aggressive with what you're trying to remove off the floor or wall. And then it's just a matter of flicking the off button and away it goes. So as you could probably hear from that quick little demo, it's not very noisy either. It's very friendly on the ears, and we've got the Makita 18 volt 5 amp hour battery slotted in here to the vacuum at the moment, and it gives it a huge amount of life when you're trying to clean up a large mess. And then what we've got with this one here is the it's like a blue, but you can see through it, case, which just twists off, one click, out it comes, and then you've just got the cloth filter inside, which is very easy. You just give it a little shake around, or I suppose in cases where it's had an extreme amount of use, you could probably give it a wash off with a bit of water, let it dry out, and away you go again. And look, as far as weight's concerned, I mean, I'm holding it here with one finger at the moment. It's super light and great little piece of equipment here. So this is going to make a fantastic addition to our fleet of already tremendous Makita tools that we use day in and day out. But this little addition here is definitely going to keep everyone happy, keep our staff happy, and make sure that our customers are left happy every time we complete a job for them. Have a nice day.